Hey YouTube kittens! It's Candy Cat! This is the end of September! Happy October, my little kitty cats! Let's make this video happen! And welcome to my wonderful new streaming layout. I am so excited and thrilled to finally show it to you guys. Look at this. It's so shiny. It's so sparkly. It's so pink. It's so me. It's all my dreams. And it's all the things I've kept for years and years in boxes. And I can finally show them off now. Yeah, you know where all my salary went the last couple of years. And since this is my new streaming layout, I need something else to complete my streaming layout. And that is actually a headset because my old one broke just in time for me to get a brand new one, and this one here is from a company called Somic, and I'm very excited because I've seen this one online before and I was thrilled when they offered me to send me one, and I want to find out how good is it, and it's also wireless, so I'm excited about that one. So let's open it together and find out. I have seen famous influencers like Aoki Misako sprout these headphones, so I am extra excited. They have them in several colors, pink, black, and purple. Guess what color I chose? Dun 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 da-da! I actually chose black. So I wanted to have something completely different. And there you go, it's wireless. On the front side, we have the on and off switch. We have a mode switch, the microphone on and off switch, and the volume control. And these side bits apparently you can take off, and we have, these are the things I was expecting. I was expecting cables. I was expecting a music cable. Was not expecting whatever this is. This is probably to send the signal over the wireless thing. Kind of needed that. What I was not expecting is they give you little extra magnetic clips for your headphones to change out the ones that exist. That's pretty cool. Woo! And then you put that little kitty cat on here. Where the magnet is. Ah! And it's a cat! Looking good. And here is the microphone extension. Alright, now I'm curious to test it out, so let's test it out. Alright, so here we are with the new headset. And hold on. What's with that makeup? My hair shit? Why am I wearing black? Huh? Why is my skirt so short? What happened here? What happened here? Anyways, so this is the Somic headset. I set it to pink right now. If you touch the left button for 2 seconds, it goes through different colors, which I think is cool. And if you click it 3 times, then it will also switch the light off to preserve battery energy. So that is pretty cool. You can see it lights up nicely. And it instantly, the moment I plugged in the USB, it connected with my PC. It automatically set itself up and it's now connected and everything is working. I am pretty happy with that outcome. So it has 3 options. Oh, it shows that here on the mode button. So blue is live mode, green is gaming mode, and white is music mode. So let's go for it. I set it to my favorite color pattern. I think that is pretty cool. Like I said, I can take these little things out here. So for example, this one here, I can take this off. And then exchange it with another design. They have a couple of other designs there. So let's switch audio for a moment and see how that goes. There is a mute mic button, and if you activate that, the light here will go off and you know you're muted. And then it lights up again when you switch it back on. So as a streamer, that is really important, so you know actually when you are delivering the sound signal through the headphone. Wonderful stuff. Okay, so this is how it will sound. It is also light-wise now circling through different lights, which I do appreciate. So I'm probably not going to be using the microphone for much apart from maybe karaoke, when I'm doing karaoke during my Twitch streams, so I can take that with me, because this will be the first time I can now actually sing and dance and there's no cable, which is pretty cool. I'm quite happy about that one. Going in for the kill. Ooh. Doing it for a thrill. We can find out the science when we start making fires. We get ever so hard, ooh, whether we like it or not. I can actually walk around. This is so good. Oh my god. gosh! This is gonna be a whole game changer! Burning bridges door to door, I break away from something more. I'm not turned out to love until it's cheap. Been there, done that, messed around, I'm having fun, don't put me down. I'll never let you sweep me off my feet. This time, baby, I'll be bulletproof. So on that note, guys, we're gonna be now super cable-less. I can now walk around and chat with you guys at the same time without having to worry about losing connection with you guys or my voice drowning out. So that is... I'm so excited. It's gonna be so good. Oh my gosh, what should my first dance routine be? Post it in the comments down below right now. This is Halloween, 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 Halloween. You are all very, very welcome to come and join me for October from my spoopy, scary Twitch streams. We've already selected 2 spoopy games for me to play, and I'm a scaredy cat, so I'm going to be screaming a lot. Let's have fun for this wonderful season of the year. I love October so much. And if you're on my Patreon, I'm trying currently to wear a different outfit every day. So I'm going to do a 31-day of October challenge and trying to put on 31 outfits that kind of go with the spoopy Halloween theme and some cosplays in there as well. So please give me your energy and your support on Patreon and on Instagram. You'll also be able to see a couple of pictures on Instagram, and then the full sets are over on Patreon. So thank you so much for your support. If you're curious, and this is actually maybe something that might be right down your alley for the next video, and thank you so much for hanging out. My name is Kathy Cat, and I catch you in the next video. Thank you guys, bye!